The history of the Cherokee Nation is defined by three distinct phases: a deep, ancient migration, a rapid period of modernization, and a forced exile. The Cherokee did not originate in the South. Linguistic links to the northern Iroquois and the historical traditions of the Delaware tribe place their early origins in the upper Ohio River Valley. Driven southward by conflicts with northern tribes, they resettled in the southern Appalachians. Here, they established a massive territory, covering 40,000 square miles across parts of 6 modern states. Leaving the Ohio Valley to master the dense mountainous terrain of the South was the first of many profound adaptations the nation would make to survive external threats. Hernando de Soto's Spanish expedition arrived in 1540, followed by the English in 1654. This contact initiated centuries of complex trade and chronic warfare with European colonists. This map shows the systematic erosion of Cherokee lands. Relentless colonial pressure forced steady cessions throughout the 18th century, stripping away their northern hunting grounds, including the entirety of the Kentucky region in 1775. To stabilize their society against encroaching white settlements, the Cherokee integrated European resources. They acquired horses and firearms, and deliberately shifted their economy from a hunter-warrior focus to intensive agrarianism. The severe loss of physical territory proved that military defense against the expanding United States was mathematically impossible. To maintain their sovereignty, they weaponized legal and cultural modernization. In 1821, Sequoyah introduced an original writing system based on an 85-character syllabary, characters representing syllables, the phonetic building blocks of words. Its adoption was absolute. Within months, thousands of Cherokee taught each other to read and write. This sudden surge in mass literacy provided the infrastructure for a formal national constitution in 1827, alongside the launch of a bilingual national press. Transforming into a literate agrarian republic provided a highly calculated legal shield. It was designed to prove their equality to the federal government and protect their remaining borders through the courts. State and federal greed superseded the law. Despite their total legal modernization and Supreme Court victories, the United States orchestrated the wholesale removal of the Cherokee in 1838. This map shows the routes of General Winfield Scott's forced exodus to Indian Territory. The logistics were devastating. 17,000 citizens were forcibly gathered into stockades, marched overland with 645 wagons, resulting in a death toll exceeding 4,000. The primary nations survived the march and immediately rebuilt. By 1840, they had successfully reorganized their constitutional government in what is now Oklahoma. A few hundred refugees evaded the military by retreating deep into the Appalachian Mountains. They remained in North Carolina, legally incorporating decades later as the Eastern Band of Cherokee Indians. The 1838 removal permanently bifurcated the nation geographically, yet both factions utilized their defining trait, extreme literate adaptability, to preserve their identity, rebuild their institutions, and maintain their sovereignty into the modern era.